Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now we've seen that a lot of you guys have been watching the video, who wanted to like the video, subscribe and share. Okay? Good. Now Arsenal to keep midfielder Omari Hutchinson despite interest from Reading FC. Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta is ready to allow promising youngster Omari Hutchinson the chance to cut his teeth in Europa League group games. Hutchinson is yet to make his domestic debut, appearing on the bench for Gunners in their FA Cup exit at the hands of Nottingham Forest. He also was on the bench for a couple of EPL games as well. Omari Hutchinson have been linked with a loan move to Berkshire ahead of the 2022-23 campaign, but the Gunners could be about to squash those as they look to integrate Hutchinson in the first team. Now, after missing out of the Champions League on the final day, Mikel Arteta's side find themselves back in the Europa League and look to blood more youth into the side. Now this is a great opportunity for Arsenal and also a great opportunity for Omari Hutchinson. Omari will get a chance to play at a high level in the Europa League, get more playing time as he'll be a part of the first team. This will only help the Jamaica ReggaeBoyz, help the under 20, the U20 importantly, he's been listed in that squad. So that will help us there, and if he makes a transition to the senior team, that will also help us. So it's a good move for Omari Hutchinson. Some good news here. He'll be staying at Arsenal, won't get that loan move to the Championship. Staying at Arsenal and could better his development there. So it's good for Jamaica, good for the ReggaeBoyz, good for Arsenal. Some good news there, ReggaeBoyz fans. There you have it. Omari Hutchinson to be named to the Arsenal first team. He's not going out on loan and should remain at the Emirates for further development. So let me know what you guys think about this news in the comment section below. Do you think it's a good move? Do you think he should have gone on loan? Let me know in the comment section below. And always remember, like, share and subscribe.